Hey everyone, welcome back. Now you'll be so impressed by this coconut lime chicken. It's so easy to prepare and is guaranteed to be everybody's favorite weekday dinner recipe. You guys, so you're gonna start off by coating the chicken in a little bit of flour and chopped cilantro. Season it well with some salt and pepper. And if it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. I post new videos weekly. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. Now this is gonna go straight into a hot skillet with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and it's gonna get that beautiful golden crust. While it's browning, quickly go ahead and make this sauce. Mix together a cup of both coconut milk and chicken broth, and lastly add a spoonful of brown sugar and the juice of a lime. This sauce is like a match made in heaven. I cannot wait for you guys to try it out. Now finish this incredibly quick and easy skillet recipe by adding a clove of crushed garlic. You know how fast it browns, so after a few seconds, remove the pan from the heat and you're gonna pour all of that heavenly sauce over the chicken. Pop this into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and the bake time is really going to depend on how thick those chicken breasts were. So if you slice them thin, it's going to take around 15 to 20 minutes. Look at that, you guys. Your house is gonna smell so incredible. This is what it looks like when it's ready. Go ahead and top this off with a little bit of that reserved chopped cilantro. Maybe add a few chopped up green onions for a bit of freshness, and get your rice ready because this skillet is like nothing you have ever tried before. The combination of fresh lime juice with the subtle coconut taste is just so addictive. I was looking for some of those salty banana chips to eat with this because this dish is just so tropical. Everybody's gonna go crazy, especially for that extra sauce to soak up all of that rice. This chicken stays so moist as it gets baked. This recipe is just something you have to try out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.